Welcome, today in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool type the ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your phone. Now just open the app. Here click yes, I agree. Here pick close or tap to OK, and here on the screen you can see that the temperature of your battery is 32.9 degrees, and also you can see here the health of your battery, the level, the Android version, model of your device, and more and other information. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.